Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we delve into the intricacies of the human psyche and explore ways to cultivate humility and authenticity. Today, our focus is on the often overlooked emotion of pride. Pride, though often celebrated as a virtue, can also be a double-edged sword. When unchecked, it can lead to arrogance, self-centeredness, and a disconnect from others. Let's understand more about pride with some common pride behavior examples. Number 1, arrogance, it when a person possesses a sense of superiority or entitlement that belittles others. Number 2, self-righteousness, it is an act of judging others harshly while believing oneself to be morally superior. Number 3, refusal to apologize, under the influence of pride a person remains being unwilling to admit fault or apologize for mistakes. Number 4, need for control, a person with false pride seeks to control situations or people to maintain a sense of power or superiority. Number 5, isolation, withdrawing from others out of a belief that one is above or separate from them is isolation. But fear not, for there are ways to overcome the grip of pride on our minds. Here are the top 10 things that can be done to tackle pride. Number 1. Self-reflection, take an honest look at oneself and examine the root causes of prideful behavior. Number 2. Practice humility, cultivate humility by acknowledging one's strengths and weaknesses without comparing oneself to others. Number 3. Empathy, seek to understand and empathize with the experiences and perspectives of others. Number 4. Gratitude, cultivate gratitude for the contributions and support of others, recognizing that no one succeeds alone. Number 5. Openness to feedback, welcome constructive criticism and feedback as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Number 6. Service to others, engage in acts of service and kindness towards others, without seeking recognition or praise. Number 7. Letting go of ego, release attachment to the ego and embrace vulnerability as a pathway to connection and authenticity. Number 8. Learning from mistakes, embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process and an opportunity for growth. Number 9. Forgiveness, extend forgiveness to oneself and others, letting go of grudges and resentments. Number 10. Connection to something greater, cultivate a sense of connection to something greater than oneself, whether it be nature, community, or spirituality. And now, to aid you on your journey, here are some affirmations to overcome thoughts of pride. I release the need to prove myself and embrace the beauty of humility. I am worthy of love and respect, regardless of my achievements or status. I recognize the value in every individual, seeing each person as a unique and valuable part of the whole. I let go of the need to control and allow life to unfold with grace and ease. I am open to learning and growing from every experience, whether it be success or failure. I choose compassion over judgment, understanding that everyone is on their own journey. I release the need to be right and embrace the wisdom of listening with an open heart and mind. I am grounded in the present moment, free from the need to prove myself to others. I celebrate the successes of others as a reflection of the interconnectedness of all beings. I am grateful for the support and guidance of those who have helped me along my journey. I release all attachments to status and recognition, finding fulfillment in authenticity and connection. I am humble in victory and gracious in defeat, knowing that true strength lies in vulnerability. I choose kindness and empathy in all my interactions, recognizing the humanity in each person I meet. I am worthy of love and belonging, just as I am, without the need for validation from others. I release all judgments and criticisms, embracing acceptance and understanding instead. I am a work in progress, constantly evolving and growing in wisdom and compassion. I let go of the need to be perfect and embrace the beauty of imperfection. I am enough, just as I am, with all my flaws and imperfections. I choose to lift others up rather than tear them down, knowing that we rise by lifting others. I release all feelings of superiority and embrace the equality and interconnectedness of all beings. I am a humble servant of humanity, using my gifts and talents for the greater good. I am secure in myself and my worth, without the need for external validation. I choose to be a beacon of humility and authenticity in a world that values arrogance and pretense. I celebrate the diversity and uniqueness of each individual, recognizing the beauty in our differences. I am grounded in humility, knowing that true strength comes from a place of inner peace and authenticity. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, your mind is not a dustbin for prideful thoughts. By cultivating humility, empathy, and gratitude, you can overcome the grip of pride and experience deeper connections and fulfillment in life. Until next time, may you walk the path of humility and authenticity.